Are you storing your bike over the winter and have it in storage like I do? I do have a battery tender on. However, you also want to add Sta-Bil. I use Sta-Bil storage into my bike. For about a full tank, you want to add 1.75 to about 2 ounces, but look up specifications for your exact motorcycle. And what I like to do is have half a tank, add, said Sta-Bil into the fuel, and then top it off with more fuel, and then run it for about 10 minutes to get that fuel into all the injectors and everything else in the motor. Always use a funnel and pour it in.